With the top three absent from Sunday's fixture of the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League, Portmore United will get a chance to leapfrog third-placed Racing United in the standings. Portmore United, who are currently fourth on 43 points, two behind Racing, will host Treasure Beach at the Ferdanita Park starting at 3:30 p.m. Earlier this season, when the two met, it was Treasure Beach who came out on top by 2-0. And while Portmore United lost to Waterhouse in their last outing, Treasure Beach had a 4-2 win over Tivoli Gardens.
We still have things that we can improve on, and we want to improve as we go along. We need consistency as well. That's something that we're working at. So, we'll continue to take some steps forward into staying in the league.
Title holders Cavalier are coming off back-to-back victories, and they will go up against Chapelton Maroons, who have suffered back-to-back defeats. The two will meet at the Stadium East field. That encounter starts at 4. Results over the last 3 meetings have seen Cavalier bagging all the points. Now, elsewhere, 9th placed Arnett Gardens host 12th ranked Malines United at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. That game is scheduled to start at 7 p.m. and Dunbeholden will travel to the Edward Seaga Sports Complex to face Tivoli Gardens in a 3:30 p.m. encounter. Tivoli Gardens have not won in 6 outings.